We are working on the X5 today. So, an issue I've been having for quite some time. It kind of comes and goes. It's been intermittent, so I just didn't care for it for so long. I also didn't really care to be spending money on this car, but it is the daily, so I should probably fix it. But basically, the DMTL pump failed. It's a diagnostics fuel pump bullshit, like a fuel leak. But got a new one. Shout out to FCP Euro. Came in ridiculously fast, and I did not pay for like expedited shipping or anything. So super fast shipping. Really do appreciate them for that. Let's open this up, show you guys what it looks like. And partially the reason why I did not want to do this was because you have to get in here in the wheel well. So this is the part that needs to be replaced. Super easy to do. I'm gonna go ahead and set up the tripod so that we can take a look under here and see what's going on. Also, the wagon got new wheels, and yeah, let's go take a look at them really quick. So the rat zingers weren't going to work out, but these do. Love these wheels. This setup just like hits so good, dude. Perfect fitment front and rear. I love it. Got more stuff coming on the way for this thing, so stay tuned for that. But let me go ahead and get this set up. Alright, so first of all, take a look how wide this fucking rear wheel is. There are clips all along here when you take off. There's a 10 here, and I guess that's it. Just replace this one because it's broken. Fuck that is. Anyways, if you want to see where it's at, there it is. And to get it out, we got one of these connections. Alright, here's the power for it. One of these connections here. Alright. And I believe the easier way to get this done is to drop this tank here to reach the two top screws up there. So I'm gonna go ahead and try and take that off real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I do have the pump out. There are 3 T20 screws that go up top. They're pretty short, so it's not a lot of threads, but it is annoying having to get up there and try and get it out. This last hose is the last piece. So here, yeah, this is where you can tell like it's kind of leaky right here. It's kind of wet. So yeah, this was leaking on me. Let's get the new part. And on this hose, let's see about possibly using this hose clamp. I honestly think I can get away with like a zip tie, but if I can get this hose clamp on, that'd be great. Nope. That one's not going on. Let's see about this one. Nope. That one's not going on. So I might just zip tie this bitch. Because it slips in, so it's not like it's gonna be something like pressure is gonna really fuck with it, you know. Should work just fine. So get this on. Oh, these were 210s to drop this whole assembly down. 10mm bolts. I'll test this out. If this doesn't work, I'll go buy this clamp. Deal? Deal. Now, gotta bolt this back in to position. And it's not hard again. Just 3 little screws that are slightly inconvenient to get to. This is the worst part right here, is having to do this blindly because it's hard. Alright, that's in position. That's that. And last but not least, plug that in, put that in. All right, well, actually, let me make sure that doesn't leak. Catastrophic. We're gonna put the car back together, get on the ground, and we should be done. So, be right back. Well, that's done. So, here's the old pump. Again, you can tell it was leaking. That was not good. But now that's done, and I am glad. That way, I actually want to trade this car in. Funny, right? But I don't like the bad karma of trading this car in or selling it or anything, and then, you know, having that part be an issue. So thought I'd just replace it. I went FCP Euro because, you know, they've got the lifetime warranty just in case I do end up keeping this thing. I don't know what I want to trade it in for yet. I just know that I need something that's better on gas, because this thing I get like 18 miles per gallon and it's just not, I hate it. The wagon gets better gas mileage, but I plan on getting a tune soon, and that's probably gonna just make it worse than this thing. So yeah, I don't know what to get. Drop some suggestions on other cars to get. I'm thinking of a CX-5. I went to test drive another Mazda 3. I used to own a Mazda 3 back in 2015 through 18 and loved that car, but it's just a little small now that all the kids and stuff. So I'm looking at CX-5s. Thinking about looking at other wagons, like newer wagons that are a little bit bigger, more spacious than my wagon. And yeah, just give me ideas on what you guys think. Help me out. And yeah, you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys next time.
When we slide, we stay tapping on doors. Right on triple chrome, glad on them votes. Flip on a nigga around, baby, you in a row. Playing with these drums, cause I got them sticks. Trunk bumping in the street, screwed up with my clip. Let them see how out they going, out the blicks. Pray to God,